Is your Toshiba TV showing a no-signal message or refusing to detect your HDMI device? Maybe you plugged in your laptop, gaming console, or streaming box, but the screen stays blank. Don't worry, you're not the only one facing this problem. In this video, I'll guide you through simple step-by-step troubleshooting methods to fix HDMI not working on your Toshiba TV. By the end, you'll know exactly how to solve this and enjoy your favorite movies, shows, or games without frustration. Step 1. Check HDMI cable and ports. First things first, always check the basics, the HDMI cable and ports. Believe it or not, most HDMI problems are caused by a loose or faulty connection. Start by unplugging the HDMI cable from both the TV and your device. Then reconnect it firmly, making sure it clicks into place. Step 2. Select the correct HDMI input. Once you're sure the cable is fine, the next thing is to check your input selection. On your Toshiba remote, press the Input or Source button. You'll see a list of HDMI options, like HDMI 1, HDMI 2, or HDMI 3. Step 3. Restart TV and HDMI device. Still not working? Try a quick restart. Power cycling both your TV and HDMI device can clear hidden glitches. Here's how. Turn off your Toshiba TV and unplug it from the wall. Do the same with your device, whether it's a Blu-ray player, gaming console, or laptop. Wait at least 60 seconds. This pause is important because it allows the TV's memory to reset completely. Now, plug everything back in and turn the devices on again. In many cases, this simple restart is all it takes to re-establish the HDMI connection. Step 4. Check TV settings and HDMI format. If restarting doesn't help, the next step is to check your Toshiba TV settings. Go into this Settings menu, then navigate to Inputs and find your HDMI settings. Some Toshiba TVs allow you to adjust HDMI format, switching between standard and enhanced modes. If you're using a modern 4K device or a gaming console, make sure the HDMI mode is set to support high-speed transfer. Also, look for a feature called HDMI CC. This allows your TV to automatically detect connected devices. If it's off, your TV might not recognize your HDMI device correctly. Turn it on and test again. And that's it. By following these steps, you should be able to solve most HDMI problems on your Toshiba TV. Start with the simple checks like cables and inputs, then move to restarts, settings, and software updates. If this guide helped you, please hit the like button, share this video with friends, and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.